In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set print area in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to print only the cells you care about without extra columns or blank space wasting paper. Start by opening Google Sheets and the spreadsheet you want to print. Take a moment to decide what needs to be on paper. This could be a specific table, a report section, or a small range for sharing. Now highlight the data you want to print. Click and drag across the cells to select a clean rectangle. If your data has headers or totals, include those in your selection so the printout makes sense on its own. You can also use Shift-click to extend a selection precisely. With your cells highlighted, go to the File menu at the top and choose Print. This opens the print preview where you tell Google Sheets exactly what to send to the printer. A quick tip: if you prefer shortcuts, you can use your system's standard print shortcut to open the same preview, but we'll stick with the menu to keep things clear. In the print preview sidebar, look for the section that controls what gets printed. By default, it may say current sheet. Change that to selected cells. This is the key step that sets your print area. You'll see the preview update, so only the cells you highlighted appear on the page. If something looks off, go back to your sheet, adjust the highlight, and open print again. While you're here, you can fine-tune how it looks. Choose portrait or landscape orientation, adjust margins, and use scaling options like fit to width or fit to page to avoid cut-off columns or awkward page breaks. These settings don't add steps, they simply help your selected area look clean and readable. When everything looks right, click Next. This moves you from the Google Sheets preview to your browser or system print dialog. Here you can pick your printer, set the number of copies, or choose to save as a PDF if you need a digital version. Finally, click Print. Your printer will output only the range you selected exactly as shown in the preview. That's all it takes. Open your sheet, highlight the range, go to File and Print, select selected cells, click Next, and then Print. Use orientation, margins, and scaling to polish the layout, and you'll get a tidy professional printout every time.